yes, you talk about the tantric tradition. People usually say tantric tradition is about having sex with a bunch of people, but I'm sure that's not really right. So I want to clarify if that's true or not. So please tell us.
Well, this is a misconception, which has really sort of a corrupted version. But in fact, what they're referring to are some of these portrayals of deities in union. And this is the symbolic representation of the union of compassion and wisdom. If we want to become enlightened, we need both compassion and wisdom. So it's just one or the other is not enough. They say it's like the two wings of a bird. If a bird wants to fly, it needs two wings. So these two wings are wisdom and compassion. If we have just one, we'll fly in circles. So this union of compassion and wisdom is often shown in certain tankas or artistic representations as two bodhisattvas or Buddhas in union. So this has been, I think, misunderstood by many.
So in essence, people just don't go out there and have sex.
Well, people all over the world have sex, but that's not the point of enlightenment. In fact, actually, sometimes that kind of romantic attachments can get us into a lot of trouble or cause us a lot of suffering. Okay. So that's why the Buddha recommended the path of the monastic, where we don't have to be concerned about that. We can devote all our energy to awakening. But of course, lay people can do that too. People who are in a relationship can also do that, but we have to be very mindful. And it would be, human relationships are an opportunity to practice being selfless. So whatever activity we do, if we're doing it for our own benefit, usually doesn't work out that well, including sex, right? But if whatever we do, we're thinking about the benefit of others, then usually things turn out quite well. And so this is the practice. In Buddhism, the idea is to get over the ego fixation, our constant concern about I, me, mine, which causes us so much grief, so much trouble. So, and we do this by thinking more of others. So this is actually embedded in a lot of Asian cultures, Asian Buddhist cultures, to think of others before oneself. It's a practice.